Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and welcome to this new series of daily videos to level up your power moves. I will upload one video per day from December 1st until December 24th. In each video I'm gonna show you some exercises or a little combo to improve your power move. We're gonna start easy in the first episodes so you can still follow them if you are a beginner as well, and we are gonna increase the level step by step. The goal of this 24 video program is to improve your power move control and create new combos and opportunities with the power moves you have. Beside this program, I'm also gonna post daily on Patreon from December 1st to December 24th. In my daily Patreon videos, I'm gonna focus on how to be more creative with the power moves you have and with the combos that I'm teaching in these tutorials. So make sure to join my Patreon, link in the description, and let's start! In this video we are gonna put everything together. We're gonna choose some moves that we did in the first episodes and we are gonna create a new combo with these moves. I already chose some moves, but if you want, you can pick other ones. The important thing is that you try to change levels a little bit. So for example, don't choose moves on the back the whole time, but try to go from the back to the freeze, to your feet, and then to your back again, and so on. I'm gonna teach you the combo that I pick. If you cannot do some moves in this combo, just go back in the previous tutorials and learn the move by itself. So I decided to start for the target freeze, side freeze, and then 1 and 2. This move here, because I really like this start. So let's do it again. Target freeze, side freeze. Maybe this time, instead than keeping my legs straight in the side freeze, I will use this leg shape here. I think it can give the combo an even more dynamic effect if I really swing this leg here. From here in the combo, I want to catch the target freeze again, but from the target freeze, I want to reach a one step. So here and jump, instead than doing a windmill like we did in the previous episode. As I told you, the one step have to be bigger. Now I did it pretty small just to show you slowly, but when you do it with more momentum, try to make the one step big and wide. So again, slowly, target freeze, side, catch, and one step. From one round of one step, I don't want to land in the footwork position in the one step here anymore, but I want to land in a swipe position. Actually, with only the right foot on the floor. So I want to land here, I'm going to jump on the other hand, on the left, and tread inside. Like we did in another episode. And from here, tread inside again. So, from the tread inside, we're going to turn clockwise, like this. And turn again, this time reaching the shoulder freeze. Like this. From this perspective, we're gonna arrive in this position here. Let's do the whole thing again, slowly. Target freeze, side, catch, one step, tread inside, we'll tread inside again, turn, and shoulder freeze. Then I have to be careful because in this combo I move much and I don't have so much space here. So I think it's a good training trying to make it small. If it's too wide, so you can do it even in smaller competition where the dance floor is not so big. This is a very important tip if you do competitions. All the moves and the combos you can do, try them in bigger spaces, but also in smaller spaces. In this way, if you do a bigger competition with a big stage, but also if it's a very small stage, you can do it as well. And also try and practice with different floors. But yeah, let's move on. Shoulder freeze. From here, I wanna kick and push to a backspin, like this. And for the backspin, I wanna reach left shoulder freeze and left side freeze. Like this. Let's do the whole thing again, slowly. Side. Okay, from here, side freeze. I want to turn to target freeze and switch. And go to the right side. Woo! We're almost done already. So backspin, left side freeze. Turn, target freeze, from the right target freeze, last move, head swipes. From the head swipe, you can do whatever you want. If you want, you can keep going and add more moves in the combo. If you want to stop, you can just stop to a baby freeze, or you can stand up, however you prefer. So I did left, side freeze, turn, right, and from here, head swipes. and I stop here. In this combo we're changing levels. First level is the step freeze level. We're doing side freeze, head, then from the head and from the step freeze we are going to a footwork level / swipe level, I don't know. Then from the swipe level we are going back down. So we're changing levels and this is very good. Especially if you are a beginner, it's very important to get used to change levels. And don't stay all the time in the footwork level, or don't stay all the time in a back rope level, or don't stay all the time in a handstand level like air flares 90s. But you really have to move up and down. One more time, the whole thing very slowly. To get more creative with this combo and with your power moves, join my Patreon link in the description. As I said in the beginning, we are going to increase the levels step by step. If you want to follow this program and try these combos, maybe you can try to post your videos and tag me on my Instagram at Kaio so I can check your progress about these combos and exercises, and I will share your posts on my Instagram story. Doesn't matter if you do it fast, you can do it slowly. See you tomorrow with a new combo and new exercises. Yo ninjas!